Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you exactly how I turn a little bit of money into a lot of money. My secret method to making consistent 2x's, 3x's, 10x's, 20x's. So as you'll see on my left, I have Twitter alerts, which Axiom includes or has with their bot, right? And then what I'll do is if you come to the Discover page, so you'll be on Pulse most of the time. This is just your main trading platform type of thing. If you come over to Discover, you'll see this Surge thing. And I use Surge a lot, and it kind of helps me like solidify like if I want to buy something, because I think it tracks volume a lot. And so what I'm gonna click on is I'm gonna click on Pulse Tracker down at the bottom, if you see that, and that's gonna bring up you can do new pairs, stretch, or migrated stuff. And so I'm gonna leave that on new. And I have some filters. So like right now I'm doing like 15 pro traders minimum metrics. I want at least 10,000 volume. I want at least 5555 market cap, at least one social, right? And then I'm also gonna pull up my Twitter tracker. So I have all these people I'm tracking on Twitter, and so when they post, if something comes out, a zoo thing, then I'm ready to buy it, right? And so like you'll see, so like this was a call that Axiom called at 11K, right? And right now it's at 54. I bought in late and I'm a G, so I sold it like 20K. Um, but like it calls consistent calls a lot, and when you see it start calling something like this, it's kind of a good sign. But like look, 2.3x, 3.3x, 2.8x, 2.85x on that, 2x, 3x, 1.7, 3.75, 5.85, another 2.3, some other like 1.3s. But like this is something I use. So like right here, it just called this. I don't really like the chart, but I'm still gonna buy in just to show you. And so what I'll mostly do is I'll have a trading strategy on. So as soon as I buy, it's gonna automatically show me. It's automatically gonna have a stop loss and some stuff. So as soon as I buy, it's gonna make sure it automatically sells if it goes below 20%. So I can at least guarantee I'm not gonna lose everything. And what you're trying to do is in this type of situation, what I've been trying to do as well is I swear I just clicked the sell button. Okay. Yeah. What you want to do is you need to be able to make a 2x every 5 times, and you want to have your stop loss. All right. So look at this. This is a great example. Like this coin's kind of sending right now. I'm gonna sell another 33%, just to maintain some profits. And so, right, that's an easy 2x. This one's not even a good one compared to a lot of the stuff I've been doing recently. I'm gonna sell this. See, the good thing, the reason why you would want to take some sells is because you never know when that shit's just gonna drop, right? But basically, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to negate risk by always selling when you go below 20% and as well being able to maximize profits. So I'm gonna be selling 10% clips while the price goes up. Make sure your fees are low because if you're buying in with 0.01 and your fees are 0.01, you're not gonna make any money unless you're 3xing every single time, right? So that's why um, like you want to make sure your fees are right. I'm gonna have a another video on exactly like how to make everything the right way. But if you're selling for a 20% loss every single time maximum, right? I mean, sometimes the chart will just tank to zero instantly, so you can't really do much about that. But as long as you hit a 2x in 5 trades, and you only lose 5 or 4, then you make money, right? And mostly the times that you're making 2x's, you're gonna make more than 2x. You're not making 2x, you're making 3x, you're making 5x, right? And so what I like to do is I'm waiting for an Elon tweet or some type of tweet that's something new, right? This thing, that's a rug. Not gonna buy that. And so with Surge, you want to look, Dev holds 10%, there's 17% snipers. I'm not buying this. Unless this is something hype and you see the volume going crazy and there's like some good amount of pro traders, maybe some KOLs are going in it. That's a good coin. You don't want something that's like a rug, right? And so like anything on this Twitter tracker, I'm gonna be waiting for something nice. This just got called. Looks like a rug. Cupsy bought it though. I'm gonna just put in a little bit, even though it's about to go straight down. I'm probably going to sell this. Come on, I want to get Okay, I low-key should have bought sold it right there, but maybe we'll get another pump up. This is dangerous situations. I don't like doing this because this is where I lose a lot of my money by buying back in. So I'm gonna just sell right there, take my 0.02 loss. I think it actually just spiked up. Yeah, see, if I would have waited. But you never know. Like, if I would have waited, maybe I would have not sold right here. It comes right here, dumps. And then what am I gonna do? I'm just done. I'm cooked. Um, but yeah, I'm gonna try showing you guys maybe like me printing on one of these real quick. Um, and then we'll end off the video. But yeah, if you'd like to use any of these features, I'm gonna have them down in the description below. With my referral code, you can save 10% off fees, and as well, um, yeah, um, 10% off fees, which is gonna save you a lot at the end of the day. And you'll be entered into my giveaway if you prove that you've used my code. We're gonna do a one soul giveaway once we hit 100 subs, I believe. Yeah, and then we'll um we'll take it from there. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Look at this, I'm getting a little 2x. Mostly I wouldn't buy with 0.05. 0.05 just like my low faith in a coin. So I should have sold a little bit higher up there. I'm gonna sell right here though because it does not look good. But yeah, like Rolly Cat maybe. Like see that's already done. Retarded investment maybe. And just because Axiom calls it doesn't mean it's gonna send. And just because it's been having a good day doesn't mean it's gonna keep going. You just have to really look at the coins as well. Like realistically, I wouldn't buy this, but I'm just buying this for the video. But we'll sell out of this in a second, right? Maybe right here I'll buy a little bit, and then Cupsy sells, and I was trying to sell up there. Whatever, I sold for break even, but that will do it for the video. If you liked the video, please like the video. Um, Subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Please leave any recommendations for anything I should go over on trading strategies, anything like that. Thank y'all for watching.